The worst snowstorms in history. If you like the video, please subscribe and hit the like button so we can make more content. The Great Blizzard of 1888, northeastern US. 50 inches or 1.27 meters and drifts reaching 20 feet or 6.5 meters. Hundreds perished. The Buffalo Blizzard of 1977, 100 inches 0 or 2.75 meters of snow, 29 deaths. The Great Snow of 1717, New England, 70 inches or 2 meters of snow. The Iran Blizzard of 1972 buried villages and blocked roads. The storm caused hundreds of fatalities. Mount Shasta, California, 1959. 189 inches or 5 meters burying towns under drifts 60 feet or 20 meters. Lunza County Blizzard, Tibet, 2008. 197.5 inches or 5 meters of snowfall, burying villages, triggering avalanches. The New York City Blizzard of 2006. 26.9 inches 0 or 0.66 meters of snow, accompanied by strong winds and blowing snow.